In this video, we're going to walk through the process to replace your ink in an HP OfficeJet Pro 8610. This particular model uses the HP 950 black and the 951 for the colors. I'm going to go ahead and replace the yellow. First thing you want to do with the printer on, find the slip here on the side and pull it forward. Give the printer a second to reposition the print head. While it's happening, find the perforation and open your ink. Next, on the one you want to take out, push forward. It pops out like so. Slide it out. And slide the new one in. It goes straight in and then it clicks into place like that. And you can compare it to the others that are already there, and they'll all sit at the same position. Then you can go ahead and close it. And if there's any others that you need to replace at the same time, go ahead and do those. Give the printer a second to recognize the new ink and you'll be set. All right, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below. If there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@YoYoInk.com. Until next time.